Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Samsung TV remote is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components of your home entertainment setup, acting as the silent conductor of your viewing experience, seamlessly navigating smart features, controlling various devices, and ultimately dictating the fluidity of your interaction with your entire Samsung 8 series television, making its design and functionality paramount to daily enjoyment. Number 5. Samsung TV Remote Replacement Universal Smart TV. Is your old Samsung TV remote no longer working? This universal replacement is designed to bring back seamless control to your smart TV. It's the perfect solution for a lost or damaged original. It's compatible with a vast range of Samsung smart TVs from 2015 to 2024 models. This includes QLED, LED, and HD TVs, ensuring broad usability across many series. Whether you own a 6, 7, 8 series, or popular QLED models like Q60T, Q70T, and Q80T, this remote has you covered. It works with numerous specific model numbers, making it a truly versatile choice. Forget complicated programming or pairing. This remote is ready to use right out of the box. Simply insert batteries, and you're good to go. Enjoy quick access to your favorite streaming services with dedicated buttons. Instantly launch Netflix and Prime Video, making your entertainment experience even more convenient. Please note, this replacement remote does not include Bluetooth or voice control functions. It operates using traditional infrared technology for reliable performance. It requires two AA 1.5V batteries to operate. These are not included, so please have them ready for immediate use. What we like. This remote offers broad compatibility across Samsung smart TVs from 2015 to 2024, including various series. It features convenient quick access buttons for popular streaming services like Netflix and Prime Video. If you are looking for a straightforward, plug-and-play replacement with dedicated streaming buttons, this is an excellent choice for instant entertainment access. What people say. Number 4. Universal Samsung Smart TV Voice Remote BN59-012666A. Tired of fumbling with old remotes? This universal voice remote is designed to enhance your Samsung Smart 4K TV experience. It brings modern convenience right to your fingertips. It's a perfect replacement for your original BN59-012666A. This remote also works with a wide range of other Samsung Smart 4K TV models, ensuring broad compatibility. Navigate your entertainment with ease using its integrated voice function. Simply speak your commands, and it will respond instantly, making channel surfing and app launching a breeze. Getting started is incredibly simple. Just turn on your TV, then press and hold the return exit and play pause buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds. You'll see completed pairing on your screen. It supports numerous Samsung Smart 4K TV series, including QN, UN, and MU models. This ensures that many users can enjoy its advanced features. This upgraded remote is built to replace your existing voice remote, offering reliable performance. It's a dependable choice for controlling your Samsung Smart TV. What we like. This universal remote stands out with its voice control functionality, bringing modern convenience to your TV experience. It supports a vast array of Samsung Smart 4K TV models, including many QLED and UHD series. If you like using voice commands for navigation and want an upgraded, feature-rich remote, this one is perfectly suited for you. What people say. Number 3. Samsung 2-in-1 Voice Smart Remote Replacement. Introducing the ultimate replacement voice smart remote for your Samsung TV. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with your entertainment system, bringing convenience right to your fingertips. This remote is compatible with various 2020 Samsung QLED 8K, UHD, and Serif TV models. It supports a broad range of series, ensuring it works with your specific unit. Experience effortless control with its built-in voice capabilities. Simply speak your commands, and it will respond, making navigation and content search incredibly easy. When you first power on your TV, this smart remote automatically pairs. This ensures a quick and hassle-free setup process, getting you connected in no time. If automatic pairing doesn't occur, manual pairing is straightforward. Just point it at your TV sensor, then press and hold the return and play pause buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds or more. Enjoy a more intuitive and responsive way to interact with your television. It simplifies your viewing experience, allowing you to focus on what you love. What we like. This 2-in-1 voice smart remote is specifically designed for 2020 Samsung QLED 8K and UHD TV models, ensuring optimal performance. It offers automatic pairing upon first use, making setup incredibly simple. If you own a newer 2020 Samsung QLED or UHD TV and desire a dedicated, voice-enabled remote with seamless integration, this is the ideal match. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 2. Samsung Smart TV Universal Remote Replacement. This replacement remote is designed for your Samsung Smart TV. It offers broad compatibility across many models, making it a versatile choice for your entertainment system. It works seamlessly with Samsung 4K Ultra HD, SUHD, Crystal HDR, OLED, LED, LCD, QLED, UHD, and curved TVs. You can trust it to control your specific Samsung model. This device is a perfect substitute for numerous Samsung Smart Universal Control models. It replaces popular remotes like BN59-01312A, BN59-01259B, and many others, ensuring you find the right fit. It's compatible with a vast range of Samsung TV series, including 6, 7, 8, and QLED models like Q60T and Q70T. This ensures broad coverage for almost any modern Samsung Smart TV. Enjoy its simple design and effortless operation. There's no complex programming or setup required, just insert 2 AA batteries, and it's ready to control your TV. You receive a high-quality infrared remote control that's a great addition to your home. Plus, friendly customer service is always available to assist you. Batteries are not included. What we like. This replacement remote boasts universal compatibility across a wide range of Samsung Smart TVs, from 4K Ultra HD to QLED. Its simple, uncluttered design makes it incredibly user-friendly, avoiding complex buttons. If you are looking for a straightforward, no-fuss remote that just works with almost any Samsung Smart TV, this basic yet effective option is for you. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Therefore, it is not possible to select 2 to 3 points as requested. Number 1. Universal Samsung TV Remote Replacement. This universal remote is designed as a perfect replacement for your Samsung TV. It works seamlessly with a wide range of Samsung Smart, QLED, and curved TVs. You'll find it compatible with numerous Samsung TV remote models, including popular series like BN59-01259E and many others. It's truly a versatile solution for your entertainment needs. Forget complicated setups, this device works right out of the box. Simply insert 2 AAA batteries, and it's ready to control your TV. Utilizing advanced infrared technology, it transmits signals up to 33 feet away. You'll experience quick responses, with commands registering in just 0.1 seconds. We stand by this product with a 100-day after-sales service. Should you encounter any issues, our team is ready to assist you within 12 hours. What we like. This universal remote is compatible with virtually all Samsung Smart TV types, including frame, curved, and QLED models. It features robust infrared technology, providing a long transmission distance of up to 33 feet and a quick 0.1 second response. If you have a diverse range of Samsung TVs or need a remote with reliable, long-range performance, this one offers excellent responsiveness and broad coverage. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract helpful points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.